Come to here, open Photoshop. Okay, in this video we start a file menu and come to the recent files. These are all the recent files. What we have done. Suppose brush, we can open the recent files, brush, and as well as the BZ changing. These are all our recent files. This is called tab documents. This is completely tab documents. To close the tab document, shortcut class doc, tab document, Control W. Suppose I am just pressing the Control W in keyboard, Control W. See what happened, it's closing. Suppose I am opening a multiple images. How I open a multiple images? Using holding the control. Control, I can open a multiple images. Yes. How many documents we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to tab the documents. Tab 1, 2, 3, 4. We have C. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 documents. It's not opening. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to tab the document. Means one tab to another tab. I have to step by step. I have to go a step, one tab to another tab. Control tab, control tab, control tab. That is the shortcut. Shifting to one tab document to another tab document. One tab to another tab. One tab document to another tab document. Control tab. This is the call. Control tab, control tab, control tab. To close the document, Control W, Control W, Control W, Control W. Like this. And to close the document, file, close the document. Control W. To close all the documents, Control Alt W. Control Alt W. Here we have the shortcut. Control Alt W. Control Alt W to close all the tab documents. To close all the tab documents. Like this. And come to the again, close and go to bridge. Close and go to bridge. And we have to connect a server, but we don't have the access of the server. Please quit the server. File, save as. Save means what is the differences between save and save as? Suppose I have a document. It is a duck document. It is a duck document. I'm just saving. It is a duck document. I'm saving this duck into the name duck Photoshop. I'm keeping Photoshop duck 01. I just saved as a duck 01, duck 01 using with save. Okay. I just saved as a file duck01.psd. But again the client asked me to save a duplication. Save as duck02. Then come to the duck01 will be the same file, duck2 will be the same file. We can open duck01. Okay, the same file. Duck02, the same file. we can save as. Save as means we can duplicate n number of savings, means we can duplicate more. We can save as means duck0103. The same file we can save it multiple times. The same document we can save it into multiple times. That is called save as.